The art community and the maker community in Kalamazoo is dynamic and it's huge.
There are a lot of farm-to-table restaurants, a really incredible growing farmers market. There are a ton of festivals and organizations that support the arts. There are a lot of other local artists who all support each other and bring each other up.
I love the rivers around us and the hiking and walking. We have a dog, so he loves being outside.
Having stuff like this available is super important.
In every direction, we have a big park that we can mountain bike to, take a hike.
I can be 20 minutes from a lake, 10 minutes from downtown, 10 minutes from a trail or bike path or kayak launch. The amount of things that you get to experience in Kalamazoo is incredible. I don't think a lot of communities have that.